Hola, amigos! Welcome to a new Spanish adventure with Wander and Wonder. Today, we're going to learn the Spanish alphabet. The Spanish alphabet has 27 letters. Some sound just like English, but others are a little different. Let's say them together, one by one. Are you ready? Let's go. Repeat after me. A. B. C. D. E. F. H. H. I. Hota. Ka. L. M. N. Enya. O. P. Q. R. S. T. U. UB. W. X. Y. Z. Muy bien, amigos. Excelente. Now let's do it with words. Are you ready? We are going to learn some cool words in Spanish using the entire alphabet. Okay, let's begin. A for árbol, which means tree. B for barco, which means boat. C for casa, which means house. D for dedo, which means finger. E for elefante, which means elephant. F for flor, which means flower. H for gato, which means cat. H for huevo, which means egg. I for isla, which means island. Jota for jirafa, which means giraffe. Ka for koala, which means koala. L for luna, which means moon. M for mano, which means hand. N for nariz, which means nose. Ñ for niño, which means child. O for oso, which means bear. P for pelota, which means ball. Q for queso, which means cheese. R for roca, which means rock. S for sol, which means sun. T for tortuga, which means turtle. U for uva, which means grape. Ube for vaca, which means cow. W for waffle, which means waffle. X for xylophone, which means xylophone. Y for yo-yo, which means yo-yo. Zeta for zapato, which means shoe. Wow! You did great, amigos! Congratulations! Don't forget to watch the other videos we have, like the vowels and counting the numbers in Spanish. Give me a thumbs up and share with family and friends. For questions and if interested in specific topics, please send us an email. Adios, amigos!